Hey friends, welcome to another studio vlog. It's Tuesday. Benson's at preschool today and has art club after, so I have a few hours home by myself to actually get some work done. I have been working on some photography of my buttons because I never actually posted those. I had them at the craft show, but I never listed them on my website, so I'm gonna work on that. And then I'm also working on printing my Patreon stickers. They get an exclusive access to a sticker design 2 weeks before anyone else can purchase it. So that's gonna be going up today. I've had the sticker design done forever, but I was having some trouble with the actual cut file. Like you see, it's like really off. I don't know. I was having trouble with my Cricut, so I made the border a little bit larger, and I'm gonna see right now if that helps. I wanna have the stickers like ready to go before I list them, and then those will be available for my patrons. So I'm doing that, and yeah, we're getting started. Another week. All right, I'm about to take a photo of the new sticker, the exclusive Patreon sticker. That's going to be available for them for 2 weeks. I think I mentioned that already. Anyway, then it will be available for everyone else. But I am getting ready to take some photos, so I figured I would show you this. You guys have seen this before, but basically I just have a foam board from Dollar Tree on top of one of my carts, my little rolly carts, and I'm using a distress paint bottle to prop up my sticker, and then I'll get it just how I want it so that when I zoom out like this, it's just in the right position, something like that. And then I'll go ahead and take the photo. I also do use an extra foam board from Dollar Tree to put in front of me like this and reflect the light back, just so that colors from my shirt and things like that don't get picked up from like the reflection or whatever, but I have no idea if that's necessary. I just do that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures and hopefully have these up and ready to go in just a couple minutes. Okay, it's still Tuesday. It's the afternoon now and the kids are home. I got a haircut. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. It feels weird. I don't know, but there was so much dead stuff on it that now, anyway, this is not about my hair. What we're here to talk about is the fact that I got my buttons listed on the website. So those are now available. They look so super cute. I like how they came out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, I guess, kind of like what they look like on the website. I'm really happy. So I've got that. And then I still need to do some photos of the mouse pads. So I have Make Today Unforgettable. And then I have the sunflower one that I showed you last week, the one that says I am enough. And then I even have one that says not all who wander are lost, or not all those who wander are lost, that I made for the craft show, and I haven't listed that either. So I'm going to try to get photos, but I think it might be too late. I might have to wait until tomorrow because the lighting is not very good. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll show you the website with the new buttons. Yay! So we just went to Harbor Freight because I saw these bins and I was looking for a way to store my stickers, my die cut stickers, when they're like individual. So I found these. They open like this, like a, I don't know, tilt out drawer, but it doesn't come all the way out. It's not like a slide out drawer. So it's just kind of a tilt out thing. And they hook together and they have a slot. So I can put like the pegs I was thinking for my wireframe there, and when they fit together, it's like a unit, you see. So I can make my own little thing, my own little organizer thing out of these. So I got 12. So I figured I could probably store a couple sticker designs in each one, and then that will give me room to grow and kind of store them. And maybe I could like put little labels or something on the front to show which stickers are in there. I think I would want something I could like move easily, just so that if I change the designs out or anything, or like if I stop carrying a design or whatever, like I'm not stuck with a sticker on the front there. But anyway, I'm excited. Hopefully it works out. We'll see how it looks. I just tested it and it actually fits on the IKEA hooks really well. So if nothing else, I can keep it on this even if we move it, but that's pretty cool. And then I can just like pop and slide my stickers out, whatever. How cool is that? Ew, this one's like slightly large. I could probably put a spacer in the back so they stand up. Happy Wednesday. We got an order last night from one of my sweet patrons and I'm ready to go ahead and pack it up. There's a few items and it's some stuff that I've never shipped before, so I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and pack the order together. All right, it is Wednesday. No, it's Thursday. Sorry, it's Thursday. Today is Andrew and I's 8th anniversary. So we've been married for 8 years, which is kind of wild. And I made him a card. Honestly, it felt so nice to not film it. I find that like so often I feel like I have to film everything. And I feel like anytime I make something, I have to film it because it's content. But it sometimes, not always, but sometimes it can take the joy out of creating because there's a pressure to like do it right the first time or move at a certain pace. So there's not a bunch of like dead time or whatever that you have to edit out later or you can't edit out and it's just awkward. Anyway, it felt really nice to just create something off camera without any pressure. And this is the card that I made. It says, "I love that we can be nutty together." And it is using some new, to me, stamps from My Favorite Things that I picked up a while ago and hadn't had a chance to use. So I love how it turned out and it was nice to just do something without the pressure. So I'm glad that I did that. Hi, it's Thursday. It's been a while since I filmed. Like I mentioned in my previous vlog, it is just a really hectic time of the year. So I'm finally getting to do some work. I really need to take a shower, but priorities because Benton is at preschool and I only have a few hours, like maybe 2.5 hours to work and get anything done before I have to go pick him up again. So showers are gonna have to wait. Yep, that's my day. So I'm gonna start working on my project for Ranger. I have a project for their project blog coming up. So I have to make a card and take photos of each step as I make it. And then that will go in, I'll have to write a tutorial and a supply list as well, and then send that over to them. And that is due on the 15th and it's the 9th now. So I still have time, but I want to get it done and out of the way because I also need to start working on my Archer and Olive post, which is due the 31st, but I know it's going to probably take me quite a little while because I want it to be just right. This is the first time I'm doing a blog post for them, like a guest design post. And I really want it to be perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that stuff. So we'll see what happens. Also, I have some Patreon stuff I need to do. I need to put out the wallpaper for this month and an exclusive sticker. So, lots to do. All right, I finished my card for Ranger, but I still need to photograph it. But that's the card. I think it turned out really cute. I like it. But the reason that I came over here is I got some packages. This one they're both from the Store Supply warehouse place that I ordered the peg or the slat wall thingies from, the wire grid panels. So they did that thing again, unfortunately, where they didn't ship items that I needed in order to use the other items. And the items that I wanted weren't going to be delivered until like February or something. So I contacted them again and they sent me a different color, which was available, but unfortunately like really wasn't the color I wanted. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and open these up and Andrew is going to help me hang up the second wire grid because in this box is the little hook things for hanging it on the wall. So we're going to go ahead and do that. It's Sunday. I'm sick. I look horrible. Sorry. I've been putting off a lot of stuff because I have not been feeling well. I'm sure you can hear my voice. I don't sound super normal. So I've been working, but things have been a little slow. I just finished recording my Patreon podcast for December, and I am working right now on my wallpaper, my digital wallpaper. So it's for the desktop and phone, and that is a benefit for Patreon as well. So I'm working on that, and then I need to do a sticker design as well for the exclusive sticker of the month. So lots of Patreon goodness going on today. I also need to edit this studio vlog, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here so that I can start trying to edit. I'm doing a bi-weekly thing right now, so there wasn't one last week, so I really need to get this one out today, hopefully. So we'll see what we can manage to do. The kids have a birthday party they're supposed to be going to, so yay, I don't know. I was able to get my podcast recorded while they went to Target for a birthday gift, so that was nice. Anyhow, thank you for hanging out with me this week. I hope you had fun seeing, just the day-to-day. I enjoy having you all along. So thanks for being here. I'll see you again really soon, I hope, and take care. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season if you celebrate. If not, I just hope you have a wonderful week. We'll see you next time. Bye.